Good morning, everybody. We are here, 32 degrees outside. It is sunny. The snow is melting. My hair is long. My goodness, we need to get that cut. I guarantee I have no idea who's first in the chat today because John Jay shows up first on my screen with 3 question marks. So obviously those question marks are coming from something, but I don't know what. John Jay, Sky Stonified, Dark Bro, Sky, Frank, Dark Bro, Moji, John Jay, Dark Bro, Frank, John Jay, Sky Stonified, John Jay! Thank you very much for the... Oh, John Jay, thank you very much. Yes, the answer is Moas. I like it, Moji. We got John Jay, Moji, Sky Stonified, John Jay, Frank, Sky Stonified, John Jay, Frank. Patrick, we got John Jay, Moji, Dark Bro, John Jay, Patrick, Dark Bro, John Jay, Moji, Dark Bro, John Jay, Patrick, Sky Stonified, John Jay, Sky Stonified, John Jay, Sky Stonified, Moji, Sky Stonified, Dark Bro, with another one. I got this. Dark Bro, thank you very much. John Jay, Dark Bro, Moji, John Jay, Sky Stonified, John Jay, Sky Stonified, John Jay, Moji, John Jay, Moji. We got John Jay, Mr. Singh. Where we at? Mr. Singh, John Jay, Dark Bro, Pure, Moji, John Jay, Moji, Pure, John Jay, Pure, Richard, Tony, Nufo, Dark Bro, John Jay with another one. Man, you guys are gonna cut this live stream short today. I'm out of air. John Jay, thank you very much. Dark Bro, thank you very much. John Jay, thank you very much. Tony D, what's going on, man? John Jay, peace and love. John Jay, 1P, we got Frank, John Jay, Moji, Richard, Tony D, John Jay. All of you guys. Really appreciate that. Yes, I did. I was 3 flies. That was 3 flies. Well, there wasn't 4 flies, was there? I don't think there was 4 flies. There was definitely 3 flies. My goodness, you guys are getting it early today. Was there 4 flies? Dark Bro! Thank you very much. Oh, God. Get Nick up on speed dial, guys. I hope I never have to take a breathalyzer test, but if I do, I'm gonna blow that machine up. I like it. Dark Bro, John J. Dark Bro, John J. Man, thank you guys very much for the super chat. Whoo! Moji, Crypto Shady, Nufo, John J, Frank, Tony D, JJ with some authorized hydration and 16 months of bro, man. JJ, thank you very much for keeping that green name 16 months, and thank you very much for the authorized hydration as well. A little calm after the storm, JJ. Thank you very much for the much-needed authorized hydration. Slayer JC, good morning to you. Moji, good morning. John J, Dark Bro, Tony D, good morning. John J, Slayer, and Richard. This is why I come back every time I can. Y'all make me smile on my bad days. Richard, man, listen. We have good days, we have bad days, but I absolutely love the fact that you can smile on the bad days, hanging out with us in here, having some fun. I'm telling you, man, you guys are gonna feel bad one of these days if I actually do pass out, because I am not going soft on those blows there. That is some extreme lung capacity and inhale, exhale. It is crazy. Dark Bro to Dilly to you, my brilly Dark Bro. Really, I love it. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the authorized hydration and the recognition of Dark Bro being first in the chat. Once again, the calming effect of authorized hydration is where it's at. My goodness. Superman's an authorized hydration until he passes out and wets himself. Oh, you guys probably wouldn't see if I did pee myself. But if I did pass out and then like knock the camera over or something, you could probably see that I peed myself if that was the case. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Let's check the market out right now, guys. You guys are nuts today. AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, down almost 10% on the day today. Loving Adam Aaron's new decision, sitting at $4.17. Where's the low? At 377 is the low that we have seen since the short squeeze saga began to take place, and we are potentially going to hit some very, very new lows very, very soon if this price action continues. AMC down 10%, $4.18 right now. Shiba Inu coin getting hit hard right now, 1044, 7.61% lower on the day. GameStop sitting at $15.78, down 666 right now. My goodness. Bitcoin sitting at $24,461, coming back down a little bit, but only 1.2% loss on the day. Nasdaq getting hit very hard right now, 11,297. GameStop sitting at $15.80. Bior Therapeutics $248. AMC $417. Ethereum $16.41. Shiba $10.44. Dogecoin below 7 cents. Bitcoin sitting at $24,485. Sundial $1.47. Mullen 13 cents on Mullen, guys. My goodness. $1.23, 11% loss on CEI. The SPY sitting at $3.84. BBIG 37 cents. Highcroft Mining 34 cents. Netflix $300. QQQ $294. We've got Ape sitting at $1.36, down 16.50%. All hail the great Adam Aaron. All hail the decisions he's made. All send all money to Adam Aaron. Guys, come on. Wake up to what is going on in AMC right now. It's what happens when you pay Dark Bro in AMC. It dumps. Man, we can't pay Dark Bro in AMC. We got to pay him in something else, man. Let's pay him in Bitcoin so we can see something go up. How ASPU doing? I have no idea. Nufo, ASPU. Aspen Group is doing very well right now, actually. 17 cents, a 23% gain on the day today. A lot of volatility here, but I'm not even sure what Aspen Group is. My goodness, dude. I don't know if I'd be touching Aspen Group. Look at this monthly chart. It is basically nothing but losses on a $195 price point down to a 17-cent price point. Aspen Group, nonetheless, man, if you're trying to trade it, sitting at 17 cents today, was touching 22 earlier. You could catch some of those runs if you're willing to take that chance. But like I say, I have no idea what Aspen Group is. It's just up 17% and rolling on the day. Bitcoin failed to maintain above 25,000. Is this rally already exhausted, friends? You know what, Robbio? It could be, okay? But what I'm noticing today, banks pulling back a little bit and Bitcoin pulling back a little bit today. I think that we might just not have the confidence in the market that we thought we had a couple of days ago. And it could be because people are starting to get scared of potential interest rate hikes, right? The inflation rate is doing very well. It's coming down. That's a good sign. I mean, you got to give credit where credit's due. 6% is better than the 6.4% we had, but people may start to get concerned that they're going to continue increasing interest rates because it is working. So that's something we got to worry about, and that might be one of the reasons we are seeing everything get destroyed today. I mean, there's no other way around it, man. It does look very difficult when you see nothing but red. But you know what, man? I swear to you, they have bred a breed of monsters in us. You guys actually have no idea how strong you are being forged right now. I'm not a blacksmith. Okay, I don't know everything that it takes to forge a sword. I've watched a couple shows. I think those dudes are cool. They go through fire. They go through anvils. They get smashed and beat to death, dude. And then when they're finally done, they're sharpened and polished up. They can literally slice a human in half. You know what I mean? Like, it is wicked what those swords do when they are done being forged. You guys don't realize this yet, but you are living probably through, okay, worse times than 2008. 2007, 2008 was my college days, right? I wasn't necessarily, I didn't have anything in the markets, let's put it that way, in 2007, 2008. But I watched the destruction unfold. I watched the markets go down 50+%. I watched everything take place. We are living through the same, if not going to get worse, moment than 2008 right now. And let me tell you, it is going to forge you into an absolute monster when it comes to being numb to losses, when it comes to being 100% unemotional in the long term, and 100% set up for the greatest gains that this country has probably ever seen. We might go through a Great Depression level of losses. We might get hit, we might get just uppercutted in our throats by everything that's going on right now. But I'm telling you, if you've ever told yourself, dang it, I wish I would have bought at the 2009 bottoms. Dang it, I wish I would have had the opportunity to buy in the 80s during those flash crashes or Black Tuesday. Dang it, I wish I was able to buy and set up I wish my grandpa would have bought during the Great Depression and set our family up with tens of millions of dollars. If you've ever found yourself saying that one time, we have the opportunity right now. It is insane. Look at it as an opportunity instead of a crisis, and I guarantee you your perspective is going to shift, and you are going to be wildly successful. The only other alternative, guys, 100% true, the only other alternative is that the United States falls. I mean, that is the only other alternative. It's a real one, but you're not going to care about your money if the United States falls anyway. So if you continue to invest, if you plan on sticking around and making it through this bear market, it is going to be insane how much you can see over the next 5, 10, 15, 20. Imagine 50 years from now when your grandkids are like, oh, Grampy Dark, bro, your grandkids aren't going to be that old. They're going to be talking to you, and Grampy Dark Bro is going to be telling the story. Grampy Dark Bro invested back in 2022, 2023, and that's why you children have the $50 million trust funds that you have, right? Like it's going to be possible, guys. It's going to be possible. We're going to make it through this, and it's going to be good. Fredo, you ran away. Admit it, Ryan. I would never run away from you. I'm not afraid of anything, and I'm especially not afraid of Ryan Michael Corleone Davis. Ryan, I wouldn't run away from nothing. I would run to a fight before I ran away from a fight. Ryan, I appreciate your super chat yesterday. I thank you very much for that. I thank you very much for being in here today. Ryan, I followed you on Twitter, by the way. I saw you out there tweeting something, and I followed you out on Twitter. Fredo's definitely not a blacksmith, but he's one deadly keyboard warrior. Smashing that click button. Smash that click button all day. Dude, I've lost over 5,000 on the market at times, and now I'm numb to the red. And now, red excites me. Crypto shady, man. Right. Whatever the number. 5,000 might be a major amount to some people. 5,000 might be a low amount and a daily loss to some people. But I'm telling you right now, dude, it is forging you into an absolute beast, dude. It really is. You know, if you would have started investing in 2010, 11, 12, 13, whatever, and you only saw gains for a decade, you know, you're devastated right now. You're devastated right now. If you're seeing your gains be wiped away. If you began investing, you know, in 2021, you had a couple gains, things were euphoric, and then they're gone now. You're devastated. But I am telling you, man, you make it through this, and you see a decade, 2 decades of nothing but gains, and your 10 grand, your 5 grand, your 1 grand turns into 250 grand, 400 grand, 500 grand, $1 million. It is going to be nuts, guys. It is going to be nuts. Waffles, anyone? Frank, I'll take some waffles, man. Forged by Clay, bro. I've lost 45 pounds in the last 2 years. Ever since I got into crypto, I don't sweat the bad days as much. Mark L. 1, congratulations on losing 45 pounds, dude. Hopefully it wasn't due to the massive amount of stress that you have, but it was due to a, you know, healthier lifestyle and so on. That is a huge accomplishment to lose 45 pounds. So I do want to say congratulations on that one. That's absolutely awesome. 2, yeah, dude, you are being forged right now. It's insane, dude. Big Grandpa Dark Bro will still be first in the live. Dude, Grandpa Dark Bro will definitely be first in the live at that point. And I don't even know what kind of phones we're going to have, dude. It might be like holographic lives. It might be, we might all just be hanging out in the metaverse with our little sunglass VRs on, or our contact lens VRs that we're hanging out in the metaverse. But yeah, dude, Dark Bro will be first in the live. Undoubtedly. That's going to be his signature. Dark Bro, and that's going to be written on the dude's gravestone in, like, you know, 2090. Dark Bro, first in the live. It's going to happen, man. It's going to happen. Clay, do you think LUNC will do better in the future? And why is the market dropping? So I think that the market's dropping right now, honestly, because of all of the banks in the crisis that's happening with the financial system. So I don't think that the confidence has been restored because you had leaders one day tell you that everything is fine. I think that people know everything is not fine. But, so I think that's why the market's dropping. Terra Luna Classic in the future. I believe that Terra Luna Classic is still risky, okay? Terra Luna Classic can have an awesome future if people continue to build, innovate, and believe in it. If the Layer 1 team gives up, if the community starts to give up, if this bear market just becomes too much for people, no, it's not going to have a good future. I mean, that is true. When you have a coin that has lost as much as Terra Luna Classic did, a lot balances and a lot is dependent on whether or not people continue to rally around it. If they do, yes. If they don't, I mean, their answer is no. There's no way over that. Dying over here, Dark Bro. I love it, dude. SBF is getting hands-on experience in the legal process. Well, that's weird. What's he doing, getting a hands-on experience? Like, is he trying to represent himself? Oh, what's going on here? Right, Ryan, I thank you. You know Gypsy, Fredo. It's not easy being a son. It's not easy being a son, a father, a brother, an uncle, and a cousin. It's not easy being a man, Ryan. But I'm going to tell you right now, Fredo's got to step up to the plate, and Fredo steps up to the plate every single time. You might swing and a miss, swing and a miss, swing and a miss, but only 2 misses, because that would be a strikeout. He might swing and a miss and swing and a miss, but that third one is going to be a home run. Every time for you, Ryan. Every time for you. Ryan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Michael, heck yeah. Pudgy 2024, let's get it. John J. Oh, let it dump so I can buy some more. I'll wait for the parabolic move. Slayer JC, dude, we're all sitting here waiting on that parabolic move. Richard, 1 month member chat. It's been an absolute pleasure hanging out in here. Richard, it's been an absolute pleasure having you hang out in here, man. You were surrounded by the 58 best bros on the internet. For sure. I've seen the internet, people, man. I've seen the internet. You guys have seen, like, the movies The Hills Have Eyes, right? That's like the internet, people. You guys are the best internet people. You don't troll each other. You're not rude to each other. You absolute respect for each other. The best thing I've ever seen, man. So, Richard, you're in the right place, dude. I can't appreciate you guys anymore. Seeing Bitcoin going to 30,000 by next week's Fed meeting, bro. Clay. Ryan, if the Fed announces no interest rate hike, I think 30,000 is possible, okay? If the Fed comes out and they are optimistic, I do think 30,000 is possible. But let me say this. I think the Fed is going to be slightly more concerned with everything that's going on in the banking industry right now. So they may come out and say something like, we aren't increasing interest rates because it will break the banks. If they start to say stuff like that, the interest rate decision or lowering it, leaving interest rates alone is not going to be a good thing, because it's going to show the financial stress that it has caused on the banking system, and they're on the brink of breaking. So it's going to be very strange to see how they word things, and I think that it's going to be a very important one. Absolutely, man. Red days scare me. There's no way to make money in a down. Oops, I thought it was April 1st. Frank, man. Frank's our options guru, dude. Frank makes money when the market goes up. Frank makes money when the market goes down. Frank is over there selling cash secured puts. Frank is over there selling covered calls. Frank don't care. He generates that income. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Late again. Woke up late today. Weird day. Tired as balls. Woo! But still a monster. Hello, everyone. What's going on, Chris? Good morning to you. I'm telling you, dude, I am about used to the time change so far. It did take me a couple days to get used to that time change, though, dude. That springing forward really sprung me back, man, and I was tired. I'm telling you that right now. 58 bros. How many likes? Ad time. You guys want an ad? If we don't have 30, if we don't have half the ratio in here right now, you guys are going to get an ad. Ooh! 25. I'm going to count to 5. If we can't get over 30, you guys are getting an ad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nobody clicked. All right, let me know if you guys got an ad out there. Dark Bro, thank you for the super chat. Dark Bro says, I shall be FIRST for eternity. Thank you for the coffee. Dark Brilly. Bro, thank you very much. Wouldn't it be hilarious if Dark Bro got an ad and he didn't hear me say any of that stuff about the super chat? Nice, man. Back to edging, but mulched 97 houses yesterday. Chris, are these like little gingerbread houses? Are these little gingerbread houses, dude? Because there's no way you mulched 97 houses yesterday, man. I can't even mulch my house in a day, dude. I can't even mulch my house in like a Saturday, dead exhausted. So I don't know how you mulched 97 houses yesterday. I can't even mulch my house in a stinking day, man. Oh my gosh. They gotta be a little gingerbread. Dude, Chris, did you go, was it D-Day yesterday, and you went home, you built some gingerbread village with 97 little houses, or like a little Lego land, and then you acted like you were dropping some sticks? There's no way, 97 houses, man. This dude's talking insanity over there. Respect the bump. Boom, baby. King Mamba, respect it. I love it. Chris, seriously, wow, that's what I'm saying. This guy's stonify. There's no way. The dude had D-Day, and then he's sitting there mulching 97 gingerbread houses, man. That's the only way. Ads. What's that? I'm premium, baby. Dark Brilly. I love it, man. I got a Weeble ad. Sky Stonify. Very nice. Weeble ads are good. If you guys don't have Webull, click the link in the description. I'll give them another one. Click the link in the description right now. Sign up for Webull. You're going to get 6 to 12 free stocks just for doing so. There you go. No ads here. YouTube Premium. You guys are great, man. You guys are great. YouTube Premium is cool because if you guys only watch Claybro videos, I get a nice cut of the YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is cool that way. So, like, if you watch, 10% Claybro, 10% Matt Perry, 10%, cat videos, 10% how-to videos, YouTube takes their cut, obviously, which is like 50%, because YouTube takes 50% of everything. But then you would split the rest accordingly between who you watch on YouTube. So I do think that YouTube Premium is cool for anybody that's got it out there. Robbio, there's a 15 million bounty on Clay. Wick response, baby. Oh, yes. That money will be of no use if you can't spend it. I'm coming after Clay, bro. Meeting him in his Mickey Mouse nightclub. Now, Fat Burner ad. There you go, Sky Stonify. Yep, 97 houses, about 17 guys carrying trash can buckets. We'd be slaughtering it. Dude, 97 houses, Chris, is insane. If you did 97 houses yesterday, I'm telling you what, man, you guys can accomplish anything. I literally can't even mulch my own house in a day. It's ridiculous if you did 97 of them, man. Even if they're small, even if they're small little yards or whatever, and they don't have a ridiculous mulch bed, 97 houses is an insane day. Fredo, D-Day is next week after bills are paid. Well, we will celebrate D-Day next week then, Chris. I thought it might have been yesterday when you were mulching 97 houses. Watch all Claybro videos. Boom! Pure. I love it. Thank you very much for watching. What's 95% Claybro, 5% food. There you go, Dark Bro. You got to give them food guys some videos too. You really do. You definitely have to. Claybro's the king at crypto YouTube. Crypto Shady. Absolutely appreciate that. Fredo, that was the 10th time you made me suffer through a third world ad that's 100 times worse than US ads. Ryan, I don't know what kind of third world ads you got out there, man. I don't know what they're making you watch. But if they're making you watch and it's torture, man, you gotta close your eyes. You gotta close your eyes to the third world ads. Especially since those third world ads, man, they don't pay as much as the United States ads do. Oh boy, the third world ads might pay. They might only be on the hook for $1 per milli views, right? So I might walk away with what would it be? 1/20th of a cent for every ad that you watch over there, Ryan. The third world ads are crazy, man. Those guys don't pay nothing for anything. The U.S. though, they like to pay for ads. Seeing Paramount is joining Shiba. I did see something about that, but I don't think I read the full thing on that. Paramount Pictures talking about joining the Shiba Inu coin metaverse, right? Is that what you saw there, or was it something else? The broettes don't answer my Discord messages. Nobody answers my Discord messages either, King Mamba, so it's all right. Monday afternoon, I applied for Fidelity Rewards Visa, saw I was approved, will transfer all my monthly bills and regular spending to new cars, earning 2% directly to SPACs in the long-term retirement portfolio. Boom, baby. Hey, man, 2% cash back on everything is great. 2% cash back on everything is awesome, Frank. So very nice on that one, man. Fredo and gingerbread, there's a salty bro. Salty bros are good, bro, because they taste the best. Chandler's channel is the intellectual type. Chandler, who we talking? Well, watching the ticker NASDAQ and S&P is back up in the green. Let's see what we got down here. Well, I don't know. The NASDAQ is still definitely down today, 1.25%. The SPY is down 1.80%, but hopefully they do tick back up into the green here. Bitcoin is down at the moment, $24,356. Everything is in the red except for Netflix. Netflix is the only thing in the green on the screen today. Patrick, have an ad and a coffee on Clay. Thank you very much, Patrick, for the authorized hydration. Oh, I love it, dude. I love it. And yes, I'm glad that you guys watched those ads. That was an absolute beautiful thing for you guys to do, because remember, every ad is about 0.5 cent, even if you click skip. So always, well, if you can, click skip on the second one. That literally doubles people's revenue. If everybody on YouTube lived through like the first 10-second ad, and then click skip on the second ad, it would double everybody on YouTube's money, which would be insane to double your ad revenue. But nonetheless, you guys don't have to do it. 6 cents. Live through your 6 seconds of ads there and be happy. Yes, Paramount partnership with Shibarium. Very nice. Hey, that's a decent partnership, man, because Paramount Pictures is a big company, so hopefully that's sweet. Now, nobody can match your energy, bro. Always optimistic and consistent with content. Pure, dude. I think it's probably part of my strengths. Or you ever done those personality tests, man? Maximizer and achiever. I feel like I can't. It's just against my every fiber of my being to not optimize and maximize my time and be consistent with the content. It really is, man. It goes against every fiber of my being. 1 cent in the U.S. versus 1/10 of an ad is in this third world country. Yeah, it really is ridiculous, man. The different U.S., Australia, Canada, Germany, they, for some reason, they pay a lot to advertise to their viewers. When you start getting into like Brazil, Nigeria, India, what's the other one? Philippines, stuff like that, dude, they don't pay much at all to advertise to people. The advertisers actually get a really good deal. I don't know if it's because the consumer base doesn't spend a lot. I don't know if it's because the consumer base is, or if that's just like the average for ads in those countries, or what the deal is. But yeah, man, it is like there's a huge difference in where your audience lives. But yeah, are you strictly a YouTuber and crypto guy, or do you have a normal job as well? No, Lonnie. So I am not just crypto. I actually have more stocks than I do crypto. More, normal investments than crypto. But yes, dude, I have not clocked in since the beginning of 2021. I've not clocked in anywhere since the beginning of 2021. I tried to erase it, but it won't let me erase. It was a typo. Richard. Sorry, typo, Richard. Oh, no, you're good, dude. You're good. Don't worry about erasing anything, man. Nobody cares about typos in here. Type all the O's you want, bros. Type all the O's you want, bros. Good, bro. Have you heard of Paul Zone? Yes. Now, is Paul Zone the one from, God, what is that guy's name? I don't know. The guy that's currently endorsed or whatever by the Shiba Inu coin team. That dude with the black hair out there. Is that his that he's got? And then Paul Swap is the one with the old Shiba Inu coin team. Is that the difference between those? Because yes, I have heard. I attended the AMA yesterday. Dark Bro, enlighten us, man. Enlighten us. I spilled mayo on my shirt. Mayo tastes good. Licking it from my shirt. Mayo, toes, mayo, shirt. King Mamba likes the mayo, man. He likes the mayo. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro, not Dark Mo. The Dark Bro may be first in the chat, but Pika and sometimes Clay will be first in our hearts. However, nothing runs without first authorized hydration. Facts on that. Yeah, dude, put me somewhere like in the back of your heart, man. Pika can definitely go in the front. So good. Pika, are you out there right now? Because we are thanking you for being first in our hearts. I could be second. Pika would be first. Pika, are you on? Pika, I know you gotta be listening. Come on, Pika. Pika and Clay are the only ones I will yield to. Dark Bro, you guys don't have to yield to me. Who am I? I'm a nobody. Oh, geez. Putting all the O's in the chat right now. I knew somebody was going to do that. When I said it, I knew somebody was going to put all of the O's that they wanted to in the chat. D's, thank you very much for doing that. Hello, bro. Is there anyone bail out? Mark. I'm sure somebody will. So here's the thing. With all of the banks that are going to end up collapsing now, yeah, apparently the banks are on some sort of a socialism program where if your bank goes down, all of your competitors have to pay extra fees to secure all of your deposits. So yeah, there's probably going to be plenty of bailouts from other banks, and it's going to probably destroy the banking industry. So we'll have to see how that goes. Patrick, kudos to John Jay for picking up my slack today. Patrick, man, thank you for another authorized hydration. Absolutely love it, man. And we got bros picking up bros, picking up bros, picking up bros, man. I love it. No ignore. Wrote Moji, best song ever. Moji's got the best song ever from John Jay. Where did this John Jay Moji song go? I don't. John Jay, you're going to have to write it again, dude, because I just, I went all the way back up, and it says, I believe the children of the future now. Show them all the beautiful things inside. Give them a sense of pride. Make it easier to let the children's laughter. If I fail, if I succeed, I can't take it away. That's the last thing I see from you, man, and I don't know if that's necessarily a song. Morning. Looks like 2023 will be another 2022 for crypto. Hodl. And come the second quarter of 2024, if Shiba loses a zero this year, it will be a good year. I'm telling you, man, if Shiba Inu coin ever loses a zero, it's going to be a good year, but not if it adds a zero first and then just goes back to 1,000 points per coin. No, don't do that. I don't want to add a zero and then lose a zero. I want to 10x from where we are right now. Bet! Boom, baby. You see Fredo fishing with the former cop and enforcer Alan Neary. He had his back turned to him. That was smart. What is going on? Oh, man. Respect the bump. Boom, baby. Darn ads. Blade, did you just get done watching that ad? Or did you just come in here and watch an ad? Blade, I gotta know, man. I gotta know. Gobble, gobble, gobble with the king turkey. Spare us, John. Spare us the king turkey. Spare us. Spare us. Ryan! I thank you again, Ryan. I turned my back on the old Al Neri. I turned my back on him and I got a little wary. I knew I was in a situation that seemed kind of scary and hairy with the old Al Neri. That was beautiful, dude. I gotta admit, man, that was a beautiful poem right there. Ryan, you inspired some greatness in me, man. SC coin will be a dark sleeper at this price it is at right now. It will 10 to 12x in the next bull run. I said this a bunch of times, but you never look at that one. Oh, well, let's look at SC coin, man. You can say it a bunch of times, dude, but sometimes I just miss. Hey, there's a lot. You gotta tell me what the actual name of the coin is, dude. There's a lot of SCs. You're gonna have to tell me which one it is. Look at all those SCs, man. Sia coin, Shib chain, Scarpa coin, Silver coin. I have no idea which one we're talking about. You gotta give me a heads up on that one. Banks in financial trouble, waiting to pick up an extra 100 shares of USB at an ultra discount. Yeah, so I actually did go and look at a lot of banks yesterday. And look, if these banks don't die, which I don't, all of the banks aren't going to die, okay? They're not just all going to go under. And, I mean, they could. If the government's plan is to bring us under communist control, then the banks could die and they could be state-owned. But if they don't, and everything recovers one day, if these banks get beaten down, if you go back and look at 2008, 2009 prices, and you had banks trading for $1, $2, $5, $10, and then one recovered to, $15, $20, $30, $50, $100 plus. These banks like 20, 30, 40, 50x over the preceding decade, they were paying dividends that would have exceeded your initial investment. So you would have been making over 100% per year in dividend income alone. So for example, if you went in and bought $10,000 worth of a bank, you were making 10 grand every year on top of the 20x increases that you saw. So if the banking industry gets destroyed, but these banks don't become like, state-owned, government-owned, communist banks, then there's going to be some great potential to see some stupid dividend returns and massive increases as the banking system recovers. Keep that in mind. If you guys want to add that to a portion of your portfolio, those dividends and those returns are going to be sweet if the banks don't die. Okay? I mean, when you're given two choices, communist-controlled banks or banks getting beaten down and spending 5 years waiting to recover, and one is, okay, well, who cares about money anyway? We got to move. We got to leave the country. Or the alternative is, I got a bank that 10x'd, and I'm making 100% dividend returns. Yeah, it's worth taking a risk on at that point. A non-financial advice risk. We're like a lifeguard here, guys. We're like a lifeguard. You gotta swim at your own risk, and you gotta invest at your own risk. I should start making shirts like that. Invest at your own risk. I get a little sign that says, like, no peeing in the pool, don't swim if you have diarrhea, swim at your own risk, and no glass. No glass on the investment floor, please. And that'll be a sweet sign. As Bitcoin is turning purple once again, guys. Once again, my goodness. It is tough. I'm still short on VRA. I'm exposed to Mara. I sold some cash secured puts on Mara, so hopefully Bitcoin doesn't get ripped too far down. But I am short on some crypto, so I'm kind of hedging against it in case it does go down pretty far. I'll earn on crypto if it gets ripped too far down. Okay, well, I'm going to be sitting on some, Marathon Digital, or Mara, whatever you want to call it. And kind of hedged in that situation right there. But Bitcoin looking to touch some new intraday lows here. Back down to 23,000s if it breaks this little line right here. So we're going to keep our eyes on that. Shiba Inu coin could be touching down below, adding a 0 once again if Bitcoin does fall off the side of a cliff. Came in and didn't get an ad. Kind of disappointed. DD214, man. I could hit you with an ad right now if you wanted to. I don't know how you didn't get an ad on the way in, though. I feel like you should. Monetization is on. You guys got an ad on the way in, right? I did turn monetization on. Well, let's see. Bro Clay. Shitoshi is still in beta mode. Shitoshi loves being beta. Time to stick Al Neri on him. Ooh, Al Neri's gonna come and get you, Shito. Ooh, I don't even know who Al Neri is, man, but he sounds scary. He sounds like a bigger guy. And a scary guy. A bigger, scary guy, man. I don't know. Kind of like Frank, Bro, what's up, bro? What's going on, Gary? King Mamba loves mayonnaise, as in mayonnaise, a lot of jokes in this stream. Oh, that was a good one, Pat. I liked it. Imagine the banking system collapses on smaller levels. We'll force people to look at alternatives. Voila! Crypto is already here. I do nothing through my bank other than get my payroll check. Yeah, Lonnie, I'm telling you, dude. When they see that, though, okay, here's my problem with it. If people do begin to flock to crypto instead of banks, I think that the government's going to put a stop to it. I really do. I think that if people use crypto for what crypto is intended to be used for, it's going to get the axe. They wouldn't be able to stand it, man. Hoodro USB, I want to see that divvy and options chain. Just saying. Yeah, let's go look at that really quick. Pika! Oh, Pika, are you sick? Pika, you feeling okay? Oh, the diarrhea guy. I've been to pools before. I've been to pools before, and it says don't get in the pool if you have diarrhea, and it's like the best pool sign that I've ever seen. It's like I will always remember that one. Pool signs literally say don't get in the pool if you have diarrhea. Ryan, now tell me now, Ryan, is this Al Neri fella? Is he scary? Is it scary Neri? Scary Neri, or what are we doing with this Al fella? Is he a big guy? Is he a little guy? Tell me more about this Al guy. I need to know. Ryan, I thank you very much for the super chat. Ryan, man, thank you very much. Let's see what USB's looking like in terms of current dividend and current price action. So I gotta pull this up a little bit. I don't know why it always does this to me. Getting destroyed in price, along with the rest of the banking sector. Interesting that it is down even further today, guys. Banks could be headed for some major trouble if we're seeing some lower lows being hit today. Dividend yield, beautiful 5.36%. And look, you're talking 48 cents a share every, what is this? Is this a quarterly dividend? 48 cents a share on a quarterly basis, 50 cents, $2 dividends. I'm telling you, dude, if they keep that dividend up and you got $2 dividends on a $30 stock, you know, you're talking some massive returns there that could really, really benefit over time. If they get destroyed even further, I mean, think about this. This stock was $5 during the 2009 collapse. So imagine a $2 dividend on a $5 stock. 50% annualized returns regardless of the capital gains. And then the capital gains are another 10x. So if this bank gets beaten to death, we could absolutely see some major potential over the next decade, 2 decades. You know, nobody wants to be here that long. Nobody wants to worry about it for that long. But I'm telling you, it could be great. Please look at ENVX stock for J Bones. ENVX for J Bones. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely. We're looking at ENVX down 8% on the day today. What is this company here? Lithium ion batteries. Okay, so they're making batteries. Is this for wearable mobile computing? Okay, so I think that the wearable devices are definitely going to continue to improve. As far as what they got going on in terms of their balance sheet, they're sitting on $349 million in cash. That is excellent. Total assets, $460 million. Total liabilities of only $100 million. So they are financially healthy right now. Their income statement, let's see. They don't make a ton of money at all, man. Well, they did in the third quarter. This quarter sucked for them. They made $5 million in the second quarter of 2022. So I don't know why their financials are so out of date here. That's something I would be slightly concerned about. But nonetheless, if we look at their graph right now, down 8%, and they are bouncing back a little bit. It seems like they gap down on their earnings. So their earnings aren't that positive. But are they at an all-time low? Yes, they're near an all-time low, bouncing off this area at about $7 to $8 per share. Will they bounce back up? I think it's going to be heavily dependent on their sales. They did phenomenal when they had those sales of $5 million, but that most recent quarter that was reported was $5 million. The most recent quarter that was reported was like $5,000 or $8,000 in sales, which is extremely low. So that's the only thing that I would be concerned about, is that their latest updated financials on Webull are from a couple years ago, and they had a really terrible quarter there. Otherwise, I mean, it looks like it's bouncing off some all-time lows and could be good. Is the don't get in the pool sign for recreational or personal pools? Well, that one was at a condo. So that was like it's not a personal pool. That was legitimately at a condo. So it's not personal, but I mean, I'm sure the condo association decided to get that pool right there. Chart looks like Fredo's cardiograph when he was out fishing alone without an area. Up and down, man. Spiking around, huh? Ryan, my heart's pumping. SC coin to SIA coin. It sits at 0038 at this time. Is 11 cents. And it's, okay, let's check out SIA coin really quick. SIA coin. SIA coin. Sitting down here at 004 right now. 0.4 cents. $200 million market cap. All-time graph. Yeah, this is one that did very well in 2017, jumping up to 7 cents. Then it did pretty well in 2021 when the bull market was going on. Did not jump as high as 2017, but market cap nearly made it as high. So I'm sure we were diluted with a few more coins during that time period there. And that would lead to at least a 10x from the current prices if we were to reach those 2021 all-time highs there. So that's some good news that you could see some 10x, exactly like you said, man, during the next bull market. Assuming that we don't even break a new all-time high and a $2 billion market cap is definitely plausible during a major bull market. Ryan, I don't even know if I saw that super chat again, but I thank you. Stephen Goddard, are you related to my mentor Neville Goddard? This dude, is Neville Goddard part of the Godfather, or is this something else? Because I don't really know, but he might be, Ryan. I thank you very much for another super chat. Nope, listening, I hope. Something who? J-Bones? Thanks, Clay, you the best. Mo G, you're the best, dude. Thank you, man. Speaking of, see ya. Likes and leaves. Devil's Advocate. What's up, man? Thank you very much for coming in here, dude. Absolutely appreciate it. Like and leave, dude. Like and leave. At least you come in and click that like button. Hood on Discord, the USB March 24th options on the Discord. I gotta calm down. Jump to present. Okay. Are we talking about the, yeah, there you go, USB options for March 24th. Look at the cover call, premiums, March 24th. Oh, wow, man. $5 on the 31 call premium. Okay, so the price is at $35 right now. Yeah, dude, those aren't bad at all. March 24th is next Friday. And you're making some decent money, even if you go pretty far out. You're making 1, 2, 3, 4% gains, depending on where you want to get in at. That's not bad at all, man. That's not bad at all. Especially if it continues to come down a little bit. You're not going to get called away, but you're going to have some decent cover call percentages that you're making on that. So, yeah, if you guys want to look at USB, man, I'm telling you, you guys can make some decent money on that. Holy mother of Devil's Advocate, he is in here. If I had to read my comment about Shitoshi's favorite ice cream flavor, you missed the good stuff, man. Ryan says that Shitoshi's favorite ice cream flavor is Fredo, aka I found out Shitoshi's favorite Filipino ice cream flavor. It's literally called Ice Swallow Nuts. That's impossible, man. They don't have that ice cream flavor. It is fake news. Mr. Amit Singh from Fremont, California. Get goop. Get goop. Get goop. Mr. Singh, get goop. Thank you very much for getting goop. Amit Singh, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely love that. Mr. Fremont coming through. Oh, yes. Fremont, California in the house, baby. Represented by Mr. Singh. I love it. $5. Boom, baby. I want to see 75. Welcome to $5 bills in the chat right now. Guys, do not. This is not a drill. This is a real green name. Guys, real green name. Coming through right now. $5 bill becoming a little bro. I love it. $5 bill. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, becoming a bro. And I want to see 75 thank yous. The 7 thank yous that I see right now is not enough. Even if you guys never typed anything in the chat before right now, show some respect to my man $5 bill for becoming a bro and grabbing that green name and throw a thank you out there because the whole chat is green, guys, and I love it. $5 bill, man. Thank you very much. All of these welcomes are for you, and you're one of us now, man. You got that green name, and it looks good on you. Chris coming in fast on that one. Pika coming in second. Dark Bro, loving it. Welcome, man. Moji saying welcome. My bad. It was my phone. Something shredded. You're all good. J-Bone saying welcome. King Mamba welcoming to the bill. Sky Stonify, yes. Let's see. $5 bill. Let's see. I'm getting a t-shirt with that on it. Yes, you are. $5 bill. Get it, man. J-Bones in the house. Welcome, $5 bill. I like it, Bill. Read my last one to you. There you go. Bones. Late split turn. Oh, man. Everybody hates work. Come on, man. Nobody likes work. Thanks, bro. Mr. Amit. I love it, dude. Sing. Appreciate you being in here. And I love the fact that you announce yourself from Fremont, California every time. Never stop doing it, dude. Never stop doing it. Next level saying welcome. We've got CD Wit in here. CD Wit, boom, baby. Howdy, fam. What's going on, Emma D? And I did see Sarah Destet, 50 Shades of Green in here a minute ago. Sarah, if you're still in here, what's up? I saw you coming in. $5 bill. Thanks, guys, girls. Heck yeah. I'm blue, but my heart is green. I love it, Pika. G-Man, sorry I'm late. Better late than never, G-Man. Pika, 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 J-Bones, man. Emma D, Lonnie, later, guys. Lonnie, if you're leaving, enjoy your day, man. Thanks for hanging out with us. We're going to be here another 5 minutes or so. Moji saying, welcome to Emma, Pika, King Mamba, Emma D, Emma D, Emma D, Emma D, Pika Power. Right, Fredo, you get a $10 bill just for being Michael's brother. You know what? The good news is you're Fredo and I'm Michael. You're Michael's brother because I'm Michael, and I can't be Michael's brother if I'm Michael, man. No parent would name their kids the same name. That doesn't make any sense at all. Two brothers named Michael, how does that even be? Doesn't make any sense to me. Doesn't make any sense to thee. Ryan, man, thank you very much for all of the lovely encouragement of The Godfather in my own rendition, because I've never even seen The Godfather, so I know that I'm hacking it up for you, but at least you appreciate it. Hey guys, how y'all been? Emma D, we've been great. We're glad you're in here right now. Guys, little market recap. AMC still sitting down 10% on the day, floating around that $4.15 mark. Shiba Inu coin on its way back down, sitting at 10.28 right now, down 9% today. GameStop sitting at 15.79. Bitcoin getting hit hard at $24,190. The NASDAQ is down and seems to be trying to maintain this level of support here. Very well could break it in the next couple of minutes. Biora is down, AMC down, Ethereum, Shiba, Doge, Bitcoin down, Sundial down, Mullen down to 13.5%. CEI down, the SPY down, BBIG down, Highcroft is slightly up, rolling 3 cents there. Netflix is down over the last couple of minutes, but still up 1% of the day. QQQ sitting down 1% right now. Ape $1.39. It is down 15% on the day. Very, very, very difficult day overall, but we are sitting here and we are still doing great, man. Ryan, I thank you again for the super chat. Me thinks Ryan lives in the Godfather world. I think that Ryan lives in the Godfather world as well. He does, man. Everything he eats, sleeps, lives, and breathes the Godfather. Ryan, I thank you very much for the super chats. Ryan, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Adam Aaron, boo, boo! I will boo Adam Aaron. I will boo. Adam Aaron is making a lot of people lose a lot of money, except for him. He's making a lot of money. You said if people use crypto for what crypto is intended to be used for, the government will do something about it. What do you think is the future of crypto then in the next 5 years? Thanks. Yeah, Daniel, man. So here's the deal. Right now, with crypto not being regulated, okay, the SEC is trying their best. If the government can get control of the cryptocurrency market, or I guess perceived control of the cryptocurrency market, I think that they'll allow it to be used for what it's intended to be used for. But they're really going to have to regulate the projects that build on there. They're really going to have to regulate and get better at taxing the DeFi transactions and so on. So if they're able to do that, I think that they'll be okay with it. If they're not able to do with it, I truly believe we see the potential for U.S. governmental control to outweigh innovation and like wealth that crypto is going to provide to be prioritized. So in that sense, if they can't control it, I truly believe, man, that we won't be allowed to use it. And therefore, it's going to flow offshores. They're already shutting the banks down. So I think that, if you're going to use it, it might have to be DeFi only. And if they outlaw DeFi, you're going to have to get innovative if you want to buy and invest in cryptocurrency. So I think that that's the likely fork in the road, man. If they can control it, they're going to allow it. If they can't control it, well, they might go down the path of banning it. So that's my outlook on crypto. Let's see. We got wars going on, banks collapsing, and it's cold here in Central Florida. I'm moving to the metaverse. Next level, man. Might not be a bad idea. If you've never seen The Godfather, that's why you can't be Michael. Plus, you're too tall, Fredo. Michael is 5'7". Nothing wrong with that. Being 5'7", nothing wrong with a little Michael guy. I like it. Bitcoin dumped a little today. As a lot of the Eurobank stocks fell a lot. Yeah, Krish, we've still got banks here in the United States falling as well. What up, Blade Davis? What's going on, Blade? Let's see. He's at it again. Simping over Pika. Always, man. Everybody should simp. Some people are worth simping over, Blade. Some people are worth simping over, and you got a simp where simps are simped for. Pika! Emma D, we get a Queen Pika. What is that other one? Thank you very much, Emma. And welcome to the greatness, $5 bill. If you didn't know how to eat a hot dog, you dip the hot dog in your favorite dip and then you shove it If you forgot how to eat a banana, man, you peel it, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Eye contact, most important part, and a little authorized hydration to wash it down. Oh my gosh, so good. All with a slight unicorn horn as well. Could I put restrictions on my mod? Not working. No, actually, am I allowed to put restrictions on your mod? I don't even know if I'm allowed to put restrictions on mods. I can do like a super mod, which basically gives you complete access to my channel. That's not happening. But I think that's the only thing that I can actually do is in terms of like mod modifications. If I can do something else, I have no idea. Let's see. I live in a screwed up world. That must be a screwed up world. Yeah. Great day in Sweden. The index down 4%. Inflatable 12%. Oh my God. Hey, Crypto Rocketeer, man, don't worry. The U.S. is right behind you, man. The index is down about 2% today, bouncing back slightly at 1.39. We're down about 2%, and inflation is still at 6%. Here in the United States, and our banking system is collapsing right before our eyes. So no problem on that one. For Emma D, Queen Pika. Thank you very much. For the King Monkey, we know that Emma D loves that one right there. I like it. Yours is not working. What in the world? Well, you guys... now your names are just blue. You get none of the perks of being a mod. You got blue names though. You got blue names. Nothing wrong with blue names. Simps are the worst. Fredo is the king of simping. Michael is the opposite. A simple day and a simple night. A simple day until I feel alright. There's nothing wrong with that, man. Nothing wrong with that. When you got... Past 1 o'clock, I gotta stop before I get in trouble. It is time to go. Get your names in the chat right now. We're gonna do some shout outs, guys. We're gonna be back this afternoon with the live stream at 4 p.m. Eastern time. Appreciate all you guys returning for that one. Amazing live stream. It went so fast today. You guys keep the chat rolling. Absolutely love it, dude. And get these names in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs, and we will be back later. Appreciate all of you guys, man. Dark Bro, shout-out to you. J-Bones, Moji, Ryan, man. See you later. Emma D, J-Bones, Frank, Outdoor Smile. Outdoor Smile, what's going on, dude? That's the first time I saw your name in here. Emma D, see you later. Skystoneify, Moji, King Mama, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on him as always. Pika Power, see you later. Next level, Shredded D. Ryan, man, peace out to you. $5 bill. Once again, thank you very much for grabbing that green name. Sky Stoneify, King Mamba, JJ, Emma D, Gorilla, G-Man, later to you. Toodles, Kai, Toodles to you. Moji, later, see you later. Have an awesome day. Pika, oh yes, you as well. J-Bones, see you later, man. Crypto Rocketeer, nobody's is working. The blue names are just blue names now. Don't be sympathetic. Yes, don't be that. Sky Stoneify, enjoy your day. SD, later to you, man. J-Bones, Outdoor Smile, reach it last. I gotta go way up in the chat to read the last. Ryan, man, see you later. Next level. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.